And it's fixing to come down. Check out that sky. Hear the thunder. Badass, ain't it? Love this shit. Love it. Look at them fucking clouds. That's gonna be a bad mofo right there. Bad mofo. I say bring it on. I don't give a shit. Oh, lightning. That wind. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Love this shit, man. Love it. When I was a young man, dumb, I'd lay out in the damn yard one night. I remember I was out in the damn yard, had a fifth of Jack. This when I was smoking weed a lot. High as hell, drunk as shit, drinking Jack, and it was raining and thundering. My girl come out, get the fuck out of the yard, you dumbass. No, like it. I love a storm. Love it, man. That's just something we don't have control over, you know what I'm saying? I love it. Look at that wind, yeah, boy. You. Old trusty train. Street signs moving, it's wind blowing hard. That's cool. The street signs moving. Of course, I turn the camera around to see it. It stops. Did you get a shower?
Yeah. Right on the floor.
It's gonna storm like a mofo.
Oh, God, I feel hard.